Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 5 most important MCQs of the topic LCM and HCF for class 10th. So without wasting any time, let's start with our first question. The question says the least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5 is. In this type of question we have to find out least number, and least number means we are finding the LCM, and as the number is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5, so we'll find the LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. First we'll divide by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 is as is. 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 is as is. Now we'll again divide by 2. So that's 1, 3. 2 times 1 is 2 and 5. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, so we'll divide by 3 and then we'll divide by 5. So the LCM will be 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 times 5 is 60. So 60 is going to be our right answer. So the answer is option B, which is 60. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is there are 312, 260 and 156 students in class 10th, 11th and 12th respectively. Buses are to be hired to take these students to a picnic. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in a bus if each bus takes equal number of students. So here we have to take care of the word maximum. Maximum means highest. So we are going to find the HCF of the three numbers, which will give us the highest or the maximum number of students which can go in a single bus. So first we'll divide 312 and find the factors of 312. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 11, 2 times 5 is 10, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. Again we are going to divide by 2, 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times 7 is 14, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Again we'll divide by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 18, 2 times 9 is 18. Now 39 is divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 13 is a prime number. It is only divisible by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. So the factors of 312 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. Now let's find the factors of 156. 156. We'll divide by 2 because it is even. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Now 39 is divisible by 3. 3 times 13 is 39 and 13 is a prime number. So it is divisible by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. So the factors of 156 are 2 times 3 times 13. Now let's find the factors of 260. It's divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. Again we'll divide by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 65 is divisible by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. This becomes 15. 5 times 3 is 15. And 13 is divisible by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. So the factors of 260 are 2 times 5 times 13. Now to find the HCF of the three numbers, we are going to find the common factors in between the three numbers. So the common factor in between all the three numbers is 2 is common to all the three numbers. This 2 is also common to all the three numbers. Then 13 is common to all the three numbers. So the HCF will be 2 times 2 times 13, which equals 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 13 is 52. So the maximum number of students which can travel in all the buses is 52. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Let's move on to the third question, which is HCF of 8, 9 and 25. We need to find the HCF of 8, 9 and 25. Factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 1. Factors of 9 are 3 times 3 times 1. And factors of 25 are 5 times 5 times 1. The HCF of the three numbers is 1, because 1 is common to all. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next question is, if HCF 16-y equals 8 and LCM 16-y equals 48, then the value of y is. So in this question, we have been given the HCF and LCM of the two numbers is 8 and 48, and we need to find one of the numbers. We'll be using the formula HCF times LCM equals the product of the numbers. We can find the other number. HCF is given as 8 and LCM is 48, and the two numbers are 16 and y. So 16 times y equals 8 times 48. So to find the value of y, we transpose 16 on the other side. So that's going to be 8 times 48 divided by 16. So this will be cancelled. 16 times 1 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. Now 8 times 3 is 24. So the value of y is 24. Hence, option A is the correct answer. So that completes our fourth question. Let's come back to one last question, which is, if LCM of 77 and 99 is 693, then HCF of 77 and 99 is what? So we are going to use the same formula as the above question, which is HCF times LCM equals the product of the numbers. HCF we need to find out. LCM is given as 693 and the two numbers are 77 and 99. And from this equation, to find the HCF, we are going to divide 77 times 99 by 693. Let's cancel out these terms. So we will use 11 to divide the two numbers. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 6 is 66. 3 is remainder. This becomes 33. 11 times 3 is 33. Now 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. And 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 11 is 77. So the HCF is 11. So option A is the correct answer for this question. So this completes our 5 important questions for class 10th final exam. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.